At MI Auto Times, we want our readers to learn about all Chevrolet Michigan vehicles, such as the Chevrolet Cruze, where compact meets technology. The Chevrolet Cruze features include XM radio, Bluetooth wireless technology, remote vehicle starter system, and rear parking assist, complete with OnStar options such as automatic crash response and stolen vehicle assistance. The Chevrolet Cruze offers complete safety features. Learn more about the Chevrolet Cruze by visiting our dealership rating section to find a local dealer in your area.